And Bunge la Mwananchi Jivanji, taking this opportunity to thank all of you. Number one, Mr. Speaker, I beg not to be called a foreigner or a mgeni, because I am. Everybody knows me here. If you don't know me, then you are not a member. Mr. Speaker, for the purpose of democracy, my colleagues have talked here very nice, and they wameapa ya kwamba William Ruto anaenda 2027, na hiyo mmekubaliana nyinyi nyote, na hata mimi nimekubaliana na nyinyi. Lakini Mr. Speaker, what I want to talk about is nani anaingia. Mr. Speaker, there is no vacuum in power. Hata vile ndio uliingia hapa, kulikuwa na speaker hapa. Vile ulikuwa umetoka huko nje ukaingia, kulikuwa na speaker hapa. There is no vacuum in power. What Bunge la Mwananchi should discuss is who to replace that individual. At the end then. And initially Raila Amolo Odinga reminded you that huyu mtasema Ruto must go. And I remember I was part of that delegation that was saying Ruto must go. But Amolo asked us very simple question. Ruto akienda, then the simple question was Kachagwa. That was the simple answer. So Mr. Speaker, as we discuss, maybe today, tomorrow, or any other day, we must discuss after the exit of William Kipchirchir Samoei Arap Ruto, who should come in to serve Republic of Kenya. Not that when you wanakuja, because I had a senior here saying that people like Kalonzo should be president of this republic. That individual cannot negotiate on behalf of this country. And I'm very clear on that, because he even fear leaving his community, moving to other parts of the country. That individual cannot negotiate. In fact, a foreigner can threaten him and he can run away. The way Gandhi ran away when Taliban were coming to Afghanistan. So, Mr. Speaker, I don't want to talk much, but because of time and other things, we must be clear going forward. The replacement of William Ruto. La sivyo, atachukua tu tena. You must unite under an umbrella. Not that sisi ni mrima, sijui sisi ni nini, hiyo ingine iko kwa ile kona. You must unite under one umbrella that will move us on one direction for the prosperity, not for jaishe nani yenye nasikia. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and may God bless all of you.
Thank you, Congress.